Hi everyone. Come to comfortable seated position. Right leg front. Sit tall. Inhale. Shoulders up to your ears. Exhale. Roll back. Relax your shoulders. Rest your palms on your knees. Tuck your chin little bit. Little bit gap between your two jaws. Rest your tongue in your lower jaw. Close your eyes. Deep inhale through your nose. Deep exhale through your nose. Now inhale through your nose. Open your mouth side out 3 times. Circle your head 3 times in one direction, 3 times in other way. Inhale, half circle, exhale, back to starting point. Other way. Now circle your shoulders 3 times in one direction, 3 times in the opposite way. Other way. Now sitting cat cow. Inhale, belly front, chest front, look up. Exhale, tuck your belly in, curl your spine, tuck your chin. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, both arms up, look up. Exhale, right hand down, bend towards your right side. Slowly bring your body up. Inhale, both arms up, look up. Exhale, other side. Inhale, relax, both arms up, look up. Exhale, left palm on your right knee, right hand behind you. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist towards your right side. Slowly unravel your twist. Inhale, both arms up, look up, exhale, other side. Left palm, right palm on your left knee. Twist over to your left side. Gently unravel your twist. Sole of your feet touching each other, butterfly. Hold your feet, then swing. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, hinge forward. Gently release. Now, child resting pose. Big toes touch, knees apart. Then hinge forward, chest down. Relax your forehead. Extend your both arms. Deep inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Bring your body to all fours. Ramanasana, tabletop. Untuck your toes. Neutral spine. Spread out your fingers. Your hands just below your shoulders. Your knees in hip distance. Okay. Inhale, belly down, chest front, look up. Cow pose. Exhale, tuck your belly in, curl your spine, tuck your chin. Angry cat. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, neutral spine. Untuck your toes. Now, slide your right foot along with your mat. Step 1. Step 2. Left arm out in shoulder height. Pinky down, thumb up. Step 3. If possible, lift your right leg up. Slowly release. Other side. Slide your left foot back. Right arm out. Thumb up in shoulder level. Step 3. If possible, lift your left leg. Balancing tabletop. Slowly release. Now inhale, right arm up, look up. Exhale, send your right arm below your body. Right face down. Extend your left arm. Inhale, bring your left hand below your shoulder. Extend your right arm up. Exhale, back to tabletop. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, left side. Left face down. Extend your right arm. Close your eyes. Inhale, bring your left hand beneath your shoulder. Sorry, right hand, left arm up. Exhale, release. Now, sit, untuck your toes, sit on your heels. Like this. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, right hand. Just push your right elbow with your left hand. Then interlock your fingers. Gently release your twist. Now, inhale, both arms up, look up. Exhale, other side. Release your bind. Now, tabletop, tap your feet. Inhale, bring your body up. Untuck your toes. Next, half camel pose. Ustrasana, inhale, both arms up, look up, exhale. Roll your right arm in clockwise direction. Catch your right heel and bend your body back. Softly bring your body up. Both arms up. Exhale, left side. Anti-clockwise. Roll your left arm in anti-clockwise direction. Catch your left heel. Inhale. Bring your body up. Now full camel pose. Keep your both hands just on your sacrum like this. Your elbows should facing back, not like this. Bring your shoulder blades closer to each other. Your knees in hip distance. Okay, inhale, lengthen, exhale, bend backward. Then if possible, step 2, feel free to stay in this pose. If you want more challenge, catch your heels. Slowly come up, your head comes last. Now, child resting pose. We are both knees together. Let your arms rest beside your legs, palm facing up. Relax your head. Now, hold your both heels by your both hands. Now, without adjusting your feet and leg, just lift your hip. Puppy pose. Gently release. Now, boat pose. Sit tall. Step 1, just hold your leg like this. Lift your legs. Step 2, release your arms. If possible, step 3, straighten your legs. Slowly release. Now, come to first downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Pedal your heels one by one. Inhale, right leg up, bend your knee, stack your hip. Your shoulders should parallel to the ground. Rotate your ankle. Other way. Inhale, square up your hip, release your right leg. Inhale, left leg up, bend your knee, stack your hip. Rotate your ankle. Other way. Inhale, level up your hip, extend your leg, exhale, release. Inhale, look forward, exhale, jump or hop to the front. Now, catch your big toes with your peace fingers. Head hangs heavy. Your elbows facing outside. Relax your body. Relax your muscles. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, side out, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, couple more like this. Last one. Now bend your knee. Come to all the way to standing pose. Both arms up, palms touching each other. Exhale to heart center. Inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale all the way to forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, root your both hand, jump back to high plank. Inhale, bring your body. Exhale, both knees down, bend your elbows, chest down, then belly plapasana. Inhale, cobra pose. 3 breaths in cobra pose. Inhale, exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, drive your right foot beside your right thumb. Then adjust your back foot to warrior one. Both heels should be in the same line and back foot. Make a back foot 45 degrees, around 45 degrees from the inner line. Bend your front leg. Your ankle should below your knee. Square up your hip, your body. Both arms up. Sink deep into your front leg. Relax. Breathe through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Warrior one. Inhale, exhale. So in warrior two, make back foot, that pinky edge parallel to the back edge of your mat. That heel, front leg heel should be in the center of your back foot arch. Bend your front leg, extend your both arms, relax your shoulders, gaze towards your right hand. Breathe. Warrior two, Virabhadrasana two. Now, slide your left palm along with your left leg. Send your right arm up. Look up. Reverse warrior pose. Inhale back to warrior two. Exhale, right elbow on your right knee. Extend left arm up. Side angle pose. Harsha Konasana. Step to, if possible, send your left arm top of your head, palm facing down. Sink deep into your front leg. Slowly bring your body to warrior two. Then straighten your front leg. Now inhale. Send your body to front, 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 front. Exhale, windmill your right arm inside of your right leg. Extend your left arm up. If possible, look up. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Softly bring your body up. Now, adjust both leg, wide legged standing. Okay, your toes should be little bit facing each other, pigeon toes. Hands to your hip. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, hinge forward. Release your both hands. If possible, crown of your head down. Inhale, half lift. Slowly exhale, come all the way to standing pose. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, now back to downward dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot beside your left thumb. Make a warrior one pose. Bring your body up. Square up your hip. Bend your front leg. Both arms up. Warrior one. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, warrior two. Adjust your back foot, that is right foot, pinky edge parallel to your side of your yoga mat. Extend your both arms. Bend your front leg, left leg. Your gaze towards your left hand. Warrior two. Now, slide your right palm on your right leg. Extend your left arm up. Look up. Reverse warrior. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, left elbow on your left knee. Right arm up, if possible, over top of your head. Back to warrior two. Straighten your front leg. Inhale. Exhale to triangle pose. Slowly bring your body up. Now make wide-legged forward fold. Interlock your fingers like this. Inhale, look up. Exhale, hinge forward. If possible, lift your both arms. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, bring your body to all the way to standing. Shake, shake, shake. Now, tree pose, Vrikshasana. Right leg up. Just hug your right leg. Now, make your leg like this. Catch your right knee with your left hand. Extend your right arm. If possible, look your right hand. If you want to challenge yourself, catch your big toe. Straighten your lifted leg. Slowly release and hands to your hip, legs to side, leg to side, and make a tree pose. Either above or below your knee. Hands to your heart center or above your head. Slowly release. Shake, 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 shake. Now other side. Hands to your hip, left leg up. Hug. Now, catch your left knee with your right arm. Extend your left arm. If possible, look, gaze towards your left arm. Slowly unravel your twist. Tree pose. Release. Shake, shake, shake. Come down on your back. Hug your knees. Rock side to side. Give a gentle massage to your back. Now, happy baby. If possible, rock side to side. Release your feet in hip distance. Right ankle on your left knee. Catch your left leg like this. Make a figure 4. Release your left foot down and send your legs to the left side. Right feet down. Extend your both arms in T position and gaze towards your right side. Final twist. Excuse me. Bring your legs to center. Release your right leg and place your left ankle on your right knee. Make a figure 4 and hold your right leg. Now place your right foot down and send your legs to right side. Left foot down. Extend your arms in T position. Look towards your left side. Gently bring your legs to center. Release your left leg. Inhale, hug your knees. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Kiss your knee. Exhale to final Savasana. Extend your both legs in mat width. your toes facing away from each other, shoulders tucked in. Let your arms beside your body, rest beside your body. Let your palm face the ceiling. Let your fingers naturally curl. Little bit tuck your chin. Little bit gap between your jaws. Let your tongue rest in your lower jaw. If you have any wrinkles in your forehead,